when someone asks you, like, who would you want with you by your side during a zombie apocalypse?
Bonnie Henry.
Bonnie Henry. That's right. She's my pick. So Dr. Bonnie Henry, the provincial health officer, is now the subject of a brand new feature in the New York Times, which just came out a few days ago. Look at this pose as well in front of the stained glass window there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I know. Yeah, this is at the Ledge. The article is called "The Top Doctor Who Aced the Coronavirus Test," and it was written by the New York Times Canada bureau chief Catherine Porter. In recent years, the Times has really honed in on a lot of Canadian stories, particularly from BC. But there are a lot of great quotes about Dr. Henry in the article. One of them from an infection control epidemiologist saying they took decisive action, referring to British Columbia, did it early without hesitation and communicated effectively, and people listened to her. And that's really, I think, what it came down to is there was this measured, calm approach to what Dr. Bonnie Henry and Adrian Dix as well brought to the table when it came time to start addressing the pandemic. And we sort of did it without harsh enforcement methods in British Columbia.
I channel my Bonnie Henry every morning, Thor. My calm commuter. I take a deep breath before the show. She's really inspiring. And
her life has been incredible. And the article details her 30-year medical career. She was a Navy physician. She worked on Ebola, tracing Ebola outbreaks in various areas in Africa with the WHO, and also leading Toronto's SARS response during that whole issue.
She has an incredible resume. We are so lucky to have her. And after working 5 straight months in a row, on Saturday, she finally took a day off. She finally took a 2-day weekend. So we are expecting to hear from her this afternoon. On Friday, we only had one confirmed case in BC. So I'm interested to hear what the numbers are this afternoon.
Yeah, she'll be updating the province at 3 p.m. today.
Okay, thank you so much, Thor. We're going to take a